Pharmaceutical preparations and testing methods are dictated and described by the Pharmacopoeias. A Pharmacopoeia is a book containing directions for the analysis methods of samples and preparation of compound medicines. It is published by the authority of a government or medical or pharmaceutical society. Pharmaceutical products, no matter where they are manufactured, have to comply with the applicable Pharmacopoeia, namely US Pharmacopeia, European Pharmacopeia, Japanese Pharmacopeia, Chinese Pharmacopeia, or others. In the past, every test solution or reagent used in the pharmaceutical laboratory that was made in accordance with the Pharmacopoeias was made in that laboratory. Reagecon pioneered the commercial provision of certified, ready-to-use solutions for pharmaceutical laboratories, fully compliant to and made in accordance with the full provisions of each Pharmacopoeia. High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, uses liquids as a mobile phase to which analytes have been put into solution before introduction into the HPLC column. The column is a tube containing a special material bound to the inside wall of the column, known as the stationary phase. When a sample is introduced into the column, analytes will adhere to the material of the bonded phase, partitioning between the mobile phase and the stationary phase. Analytes are released from the column by running a solvent or eluent through the column. The eluent is selected based on its ability to either pass an analyte which remains in the bonded phase or displace selected analytes known as elution by binding to the bonded phase in its place. Once displaced, the analyte is carried out of the column into a detector for analysis. The function of the dissolution test is to determine the solubility of the drug under different defined physiological conditions. The different physiological conditions are artificially replaced using a series of chemical formulations to create the dissolution medias. The formulations are described precisely in each Pharmacopoeia. These formulations, while performing the same function, can vary from one Pharmacopoeia to another. The dissolution media is a critical part of the test. Starting with dissolution concentrates, there are several steps that the customer avoids, yielding significant time savings by using concentrates. This includes Pharmacopeia consultation, document production, calculations, balance calibration, all followed by the production of the product itself. Using concentrates, all the analyst has to do is dissolve the concentrate, make to volume, adjust pH if necessary, mix and use. We believe this operation will take between 8 and 16 minutes, with time savings of up to 71 minutes over all the products being produced in-house. This is over an 80% time saving for each batch. The list of benefits to the customer are significant in addition to the time saving and include savings in shipping costs, easier storage, and the ability to fit much larger stocks into a small space, giving greater availability of stocks and therefore much more flexibility. A small representative sample of the product range of the products is now available on your screens. The other option available from Reagecon is to buy media that is ready to use. Although more expensive to ship, this set of options eliminates every single step required by the analyst and is a highly efficient way to obtain dissolution medias. In addition to the features detailed on your screens, all issues with metrological traceability, customer error, or comparability are completely eliminated. A selection of various media targeted at United States Pharmacopeia, European Pharmacopeia and Japanese Pharmacopeia that are available from Reagecon is listed here, but this is purely for example purposes and is only a tiny part of our product offering. More detailed technical information and specific product information can be obtained at www.reagecon.com, either through our webshop or our knowledge centre.